Noria, on behalf of Reliable Plant and Machinery Lubrication, are best in class with marrying both a great exhibit floor, so with really talented exhibitors, the right exhibitors for this environment, with really good topics. I love just the teaching mentality that Noria has behind them. Like, they're really there to help and optimize and strategize, and then just the opportunities to connect with other people. You know, I think Noria really captures the idea of lifelong learners. So I don't think you need to be at any stage of your career, particularly, to come here. You know, I think there's something still to learn for everybody in all facets of their career, and I think Noria captures that really well.
It's been great. It's my first time. So yeah, it's been great to get to know people and meet all the different vendors, meet everybody who's looking to learn about reliability. It's been an amazing experience.
I think it's a great opportunity to meet people and gain some more knowledge.
I would recommend this conference to young people starting out in the industry or people that are just in the industry trying to be inspired.
This was a very eye-opening experience.
Well, look, first time here, it's been fantastic. We've had a great week, great networking, great social event as well, and yeah, tops.